I spent 34 years trying to fix what wasn't broken, I just didn't know it. For 34 years, I thought I was the problem. I thought I was lazy. I thought I was stupid. I could read the same page over and over again and not remember a single word I'd just read. So I assumed I wasn't intelligent enough. But then there were things like maths, they just clicked. I barely had to try. I could understand things that others struggled with, or struggling with things that seemed effortless for everyone else. None of it made sense. So I came to one conclusion: it had to be me. I thought I wasn't trying hard enough. So I tried harder, I worked longer, I pushed myself further, punished myself every time I fell short. For years, I wasn't just struggling, I felt punished for living in the only way I knew how. Because I genuinely believed if I just tried hard enough, I'd finally become the person I thought I was supposed to be. But at 34 years old, I was diagnosed with ADHD. And if I'm honest, it wasn't some huge eureka moment. It wasn't relief, it was grief. I felt robbed. I looked back at years of struggling, years of blaming myself, years of being punished for what I felt the only way I knew how to function. I couldn't stop thinking, what if someone had noticed sooner? What if I had understood my own mind years ago? I wasn't grieving the diagnosis, I was grieving the 34 years I spent believing I was the problem. But slowly, something started to change. I stopped trying to fix myself. I started trying to understand myself. I stopped asking what's wrong with me and started asking what works for me. I'm still learning. I still struggle. I still have bad days. But now, when something is difficult, I don't automatically assume it's because I'm broken. I ask myself a different question. What do I need? For 34 years, I thought I was fighting ADHD. I wasn't. I was fighting myself. Because maybe I never needed fixing. I needed understanding. Maybe I didn't need to become someone else. I needed to learn how to work with the person I'd been all along. And the greatest thing my diagnosis gave me wasn't an explanation for my past, it was permission to surrender the lifelong war I waged against myself.